Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your word fees. Dear students, you are watching class 7 science chapter number 2 nutrition in animal part 10. Dear students, in the part 9 we have discussed digestion in the grass eating animals. In the part 10 we will discuss true false, which is given in page number 33, concept map, and also the difficult word keywords. So let's start, dear students. Knowledge check. State whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statements. First, human have a 20 milk teeth and 38 permanent teeth. Dear students, we know these things. 20 teeth grow, which are the temporary set of the teeth. These teeth is replaced by the permanent teeth, which are in 32 in number. So here 38 are given. Here students, 38 are given. So not a 38, 32 in number. So it is false. Now you understood why it is false. Here 32 permanent teeth in number, not 38. Now come to the second. Human can easily digest cellulose. Dear students, human cannot easily digest human being cannot digest cellulose. So it is what? False. Now come to one of the substance secrete in the cell lining of stomach is hydrochloric acid. Dear students, the lining cell of stomach secretes hydrochloric acids, gastric juice. So it is the right answer. That is true. Now come to the next one. Fourth, digestion of the various component of the food is complete in the stomach. Dear student, it is not complete in the stomach, it is complete in the small intestine. So it is what? False statement. Now come to the fifth. After digestion is complete, glucose is used for respiration, while fatty acids and the glycerols are stored as an energy reserve. Dear students, after digestion, glucose break down with the help of oxygen into the carbon dioxide and water and energy released. Amino acids are used for building and repairing the of a body, such as worn out the cells, and fatty acids and glycerol act as an energy reserve. So it is what, dear students? True statement. So here write true. Dear students, you have to do this part in your book. Now turn page. Now dear student, come to the concept map of the chapter nutrition in animals. Nutrition, first we discuss nutrition steps in the human. Nutrition in the human steps involve ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and aggregation. Dear student, ingestion, process of intake of food. Digestion, the process of breaking complex food into the simple soluble substance. Absorption, the process of passing of soluble from of food into a body fluid. Assimilation, the process of utilization of nutrients in the body by the cell of the body. Aggregation, expulsion of water from the body. So dear students, in the nutrition in human is involves these steps. Nutrition in amoeba with the help of pseudopodia and vacuoles. Dear students, it has a finger-like projection, that is called what? Pseudopodia. With the help of pseudopodia, amoeba engulf their food, and this forms a vacuoles in the cell, that is called what? Food vacuoles. Now come to the next one. Nutrition in human involves organs involved mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, liver, pancreas, large intestines, and anus. Now come to the ruminants. Digestion in the ruminants involve four chambers: human, reticulum, omasum and ovomasum. Dear students, these are four chambers of the ruminants. Now come to the keywords. Holozoic nutrition. Dear students, the mode of nutrition in which food take into the body and break down into a simple substance. The mode of nutrition in which complex food convert into a simple food. That food of nutrition is what? Holozoic nutrition. Now come to the pseudopodia, finger-like projection from the outer part of the cell of the amoeba that are used to engulf food. In the simple word, we can say finger-like projection of amoeba. It helps to move and engulf the food. Now chyma, a partially undigested food present in the stomach. It's called what? Chyma. Villi, finger-like projection present on the inner wall of the small intestine. Dear students, minute finger-like projection in the wall of small intestine is called what? Villi. Peristalsis, constriction and relaxation in a wave-like of a muscles of esophagus alternately in the wave-like manner to push the bolus down in the tube into the stomach. So that wave-like constriction and relaxation of the muscles of esophagus to push down the bolus. Rumination, the process by which some animals brings up partially digested food from the stomach to the mouth to chew the second time. Dear students, we know very well. Dear student, in the ruminants, food comes back into the mouth in a small lumps for further chewing. This process of chewing is called what? Rumination. Curd, partially digest food that brought back to the mouth for chewing a second time. Dear students, half chewed digested food is called what? Curd. This is half chewed and partially digested food is called what? Curd. Dear students, come to the summary of this chapter. In this chapter, we have learned that holozoic nutrition in animal involve 5 steps. Dear students, these steps are what? Ingation, digestion, absorption and assimilation. And ingation. Now, amoeba use pseudopodia to take food into the cell to digest in the food vacuoles. Dear students, amoeba engulf its food with the help of pseudopodia, with stretch around the food and fuse with each other. This forms a food vacuoles in the cell called what? This forms a vacuoles in the cell. It is that called what? Food vacuoles. The digestive juice in the food vacuoles act on the food and breaks down into a simple soluble substance which are absorbed and utilized. Now come to different multicellular animals ingest food using a different organs and method. The taking of a food in a different animals having a different way, like amoeba use their pseudopodia to engulf and movement of anywhere. Ruminants such as cow brings up partially chewed and digest curd to the chew in the second time before swallowing it again. Dear students, the step of the first step, they eat the food and half and partially digest and swallowed, and in the second step they the food complete digest. So in the ruminants there are the 2 steps to take food and digest food. Now B part, I can do the following. Define the holozoic nutrition and name its step. Earlier we discussed the mode of nutrition in which food is taken into the body and break down into a simpler substance is called what? Holozoic nutrition, and name of its step: ingation, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egation. Now describe the phagocytosis and digestion of the food in the amoeba. Now, dear student, we know very well amoeba is a single-celled organism. It has no fixed shape and size. It has a finger-like projection called what? Pseudopodia. Pseudopodia helps to move and engulf the food. Give an example how the various multicellular organism ingest their food. Dear students, in a multicellular organism, like different organism have a different mode of taking food and digest it, like cow, like buffalo, like human being, even then also. Describe various steps and organs involved in the nutrition in human being. Dear students, various steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and ingestion in the human beings and by the different organs like mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, liver, pancreas, large intestine, and the anus. Describe the process of ingestion, digestion in the ruminants. Dear students, the stomach in the ruminants is divided into the four chamber. First is rumen, then reticulum, omasum, and ovimasum. That is, these four chamber they digest their food. So, dear students, hope you understood all keywords and summary of this chapters. Now, dear students, you have to learn these keywords. That is your homework. Thank you, students.